What is Filecoin? At HubKoin, we support many types of cryptocurrencies, and as we evolve, we are adding more currencies to choose from. This video is not financial advice. We cannot tell you what to invest in. The purpose of these videos is to help you on your own investing journey and to learn about the assets that we support. In this video, we will explain the basics of Filecoin. Filecoin is an innovative decentralized storage network that utilizes blockchain technology to establish a secure, dependable, and cost-efficient data storage and management solution. By harnessing the potential of decentralized storage, Filecoin presents a novel approach that surpasses traditional cloud storage in terms of efficiency, scalability, and resilience. Essentially, Filecoin strives to create a decentralized, efficient, and robust foundation for preserving humanity's most valuable resource, information. Filecoin's passionate commitment lies in storing and safeguarding this crucial resource in an economically viable and widely distributed manner. This objective entails addressing existing issues with contemporary storage infrastructure, decentralizing the cloud from a limited number of centralized providers. Users would gain complete control over their data. At the same time, pricing would be determined by the network rather than corporate entities. Filecoin also ensures verifiable storage. The overarching vision of Filecoin is to foster a world where smaller information storage companies can effectively compete with major corporations such as Google and Amazon. It is essential to recognize that Filecoin is not just a software, but a thriving ecosystem with a global network of thousands of talented individuals. Together, they are united in their pursuit of safeguarding humanity's information. Juan Benet, a renowned computer scientist and entrepreneur with previous experience at notable companies including Google, Microsoft, and Protocol Labs, founded Filecoin in 2014. The project's first white paper was released in the same year, followed by a second publication in 2017. The initial coin offering successfully raised over $250 million. Filecoin functions as a decentralized peer-to-peer storage network. It enables users to store and retrieve digital information securely. Platforms like Internet Archive and OpenSea have embraced this technology to protect their valuable information. There is a wealth of information to explore when it comes to Filecoin, and we are merely scratching the surface. This groundbreaking project is revolutionizing our perception of data storage and management. By offering a decentralized solution that is both secure and cost-effective, Filecoin is leading the way towards a more decentralized and democratic internet. Here at HubKoin, we will be watching to see the impact of Filecoin's unique technology on data storage and the future of cryptocurrencies. We've reached the end of the video. We really appreciate your time, and if you liked this video, feel free to give it a like. You can also subscribe to our channel from our future crypto info videos. Thanks so much for sticking through to the end, and as always, remember, we're all learning together. Sources for this video are in the description. Thank you for watching.